Stocks to watch this month and beyond, starting with news. The FDA proposed a new tobacco product standard for nicotine yield of cigarettes and certain other combusted tobacco products, setting a maximum nicotine content of 0.7 milligrams of nicotine per gram of tobacco. This standard aims to reduce the addictiveness of these products and help people quit more easily. The FDA expects this proposed product standard would significantly reduce morbidity and mortality caused by smoking. 22nd Century's VLN products, which are authorized by the FDA as reduced nicotine content products, already comply with this standard and are available in over 5,000 stores across the country. Raising optimism, VLN products will gain a significant advantage in the market. Meanwhile, ADUR reports achieving several key milestones in its path towards commercialization, including signing a memorandum of understanding with GF Building Flow Solutions Americas to address recycling challenges for cross-linked polyethylene production waste, as well as participating in leading industry conferences such as IRPC and ARC24, showcasing its hydrochemolytic technology. Q2 2025 financial highlights include quarterly revenue of $38,143 and a strong cash position of $9.2 million as of November 30th, 2024. Elsewhere, Airbnb plans to spend $5 million on supporting politicians in New York City and state offices who align with its interests, such as increasing housing supply and promoting tourism. The company aims to counter the powerful hotel lobby through this initiative. Additionally, Airbnb has spent over $1 million in the first 10 months of 2024 lobbying lawmakers for a relaxation of some restrictions on short-term rentals. This comes after New York City's licensing law led to the removal of more than 18,000 Airbnb listings in September 2023. Then, ARM Holdings, a company that licenses its critical intellectual property to chip makers, is reportedly developing a strategy to increase prices and significantly boost revenue, according to previously sealed court documents. The initiative, known as Picasso, aims to raise what it charges clients, which include Apple and Qualcomm, by up to 300% to generate an extra $1 billion in annual sales. ARM also indicated that it may be considering designing its own chips in the future. In other news, ChargePoint introduced two new innovations to combat charger vandalism: a cut-resistant charging cable and ChargePoint Protect, an alarm system designed to enhance security at charging stations. The company's new cut-resistant charging cables are made from materials that make them difficult for potential vandals to cut while remaining flexible. These cables will be available for all of the company's commercial and fleet charging stations, as well as being offered to other charging station manufacturers. ChargePoint Protect is an alarm system capable of detecting real-time cable tampering and automatically engaging the alarm, with the aim of deterring vandals. The company expects that these two solutions combined will help reduce repair costs associated with vandalism for charging station owners and ensure a more dependable charging experience for EV drivers. For more on ChargePoint and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.